Today in mathematics, we are going to read pictures. What is the meaning of reading pictures? It means observing the picture and answering the questions related to them. It's like a comprehension. Here we have a weekly market. I'm sure many of you have been to a market. And we are going to answer the questions, that is, we are going to classify. Classification means to group them according to the same kind. Like all girls together, they become one group. Boys together becomes another group. That's an example of classification. Now let us observe this picture and fill in the empty boxes, that is, fill in the answers. The first question is the number of vegetable carts. Now what you can see here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carts. But if you look carefully, you will see all the 5 carts are not vegetable carts. There's one having fruits. So our answer will be 4 carts. The next question, the number of people selling fruits. So, as we earlier said, there's one cart with fruits and there's one woman selling fruits into the baskets. The people who are selling fruits and vegetables here are called hawkers. So, we have got 2 hawkers selling fruits. So, our answer will be 2. The next question, 4 fruits on sale in the market. So you have to write down the name of any 4 fruits. Now what we can see here are apples, bananas, pineapples and muskmelons. The next question, 5 vegetables being sold in the market. You can see onions, potatoes, brinjals, tomatoes, carrots. So there are various vegetables, cabbages. Let's write any 5 of them. We have onions, potatoes, brinjals, carrots and cabbages. The fifth question, the number of boys to be seen in the market. So you can count them. There are how many boys? Well, yes, there are 3 boys in the market. The next question, the number of girls to be seen in the market. There are 2 girls in the market. Name the number of people who have brought their own cloth bag to the market. Now, children, as you know, plastic is not healthy for us, so we should not be using plastic bags. We are always told and reminded to use cloth bags. So here you can see how many of them have carried cloth bags. Well, yes, there are 3 of them. You can see this man with a brown cloth bag. Then there's a woman with the blue outfit. And there's a man there carrying a pink cloth bag. So children, whenever you go to the market, remind your parents to carry a cloth bag. Let's observe the picture and complete the flow chart given below. Now here you have a picture which shows you different types of vehicles, and this is at the crossroad where you can see the crossing. The zebra crossing is noticed on all the 4 sides, that is those white blocks. Now let's answer the questions based here. This is a flow chart, which means you are going to count the number of vehicles and write them down. Now which are the vehicles here? You're going to count the number of vehicles in this picture and write them down. The first one is the bicycle, motorcycle, car, bus and rickshaw. It's also called auto rickshaw. The first one. How many bicycles are here? Yes, it's just one. Motorcycles, 2. Cars, 3. The blue, the orange and the red. Bus, 1. Rickshaw, 2. Now, observing the same picture, we are going to answer some other questions related to this picture. The first question is, name the vehicles that have stopped at the red signal. Now here you can see on all the 4 points there are signal lights, traffic signal lights. Now you can see the red light is on. So there are some vehicles which have stopped. At the same time, the other side shows a green light, so some are moving. But here you're going to answer the question. You're going to name the vehicles that have stopped at the red signal. So which are they? They are 2 cars, that's the red and the blue car, 1 motorcycle and 1 rickshaw, that is next to the red car. These 4 vehicles have stopped at the red signal. The next question is, which vehicles are moving at the green signal? We have the orange car, the bicycle, the motorcycle, the bus and the rickshaw that are moving at the green signal. The green signal tells vehicles to move. The third question asks, which vehicles in the picture causes air pollution? Air pollution means the air gets bad. It's not fit enough for breathing. So we start coughing, some of us get infection. So we have to name now the vehicles that cause air pollution. Now if you observe carefully, you will notice that all the vehicles cause air pollution. And why is that so? Because all the vehicles are letting out smoke. But there's one vehicle which doesn't let out smoke. That's the bicycle. The bicycle doesn't let out any smoke. So from the bicycle, there's no smoke, so no air pollution from the bicycle. But the cars, the motorcycle, the rickshaw and the bus, they all let out smoke which mixes in the air, and that air is breathed by us, which causes damage to us. It causes problems to us. In other words, it's air pollution. So which are the vehicles? All the vehicles except the bicycle. Except means not the bicycle. The next question, which of the vehicles, that is the bicycle, motorcycles, cars, buses, rickshaws, are the most in number? So from all the 5 vehicles that you can see in this picture, which are the most in number? So let's count. The bicycle is just 1, the bus is 1, motorcycles are 2, auto rickshaws are 2, the cars are 3. So which is the most? Well, yes, it's the cars. They are 3 in number. So that's the end of this topic. Children, you will complete these exercises in your maths book. Thank you.